Hello again. So we thought it'd be a good time to reintroduce or remind you guys about our new P18 master brake cylinder. Our Cub here, our company Cub's here in the middle of its annual, and we're making some switches. And one of the things we're doing here is we're installing ours. This is our, what we had in the plane, the original Scott here with our North River brake booster on it originally, and a Scott parking brake. And we're going to now move it over to our master brake cylinder and our parking brake as part of the annual. And this isn't just a direct PMA, this is an STC'd master brake cylinder, and that's because this one works better. It's a different one, it's a different model. People who fly Cubs, I mean, there's two kind of things we did with ours that are different than the original Scott. One is it's vented, which everybody knows what that's about. But the other thing we did is we changed the piston on it. And we changed it in a way that makes it more progressive. So on an original Scott brake, its configuration, I think most Cub pilots kind of know this, is kind of like an on or off affair. You basically push on it and you get brake or you don't. And we wanted to create a more progressive feel. So to do that, we basically shrunk the piston and we increased the travel. So basically, by shrinking the piston, we increased the pressure that you apply. Every pound that you put on this pedal is increased by about 52% to the wheels. But since we made the cylinder smaller, we had to move the same amount of volume, so we had to increase the stroke. To give you a sense, the stroke changes from about 1.91 inches on the original to 2.89 on ours. So we added, basically an inch of travel to it. And if you, I don't know, maybe they can show it to you in another video at the other point, but you can kind of see it here between these two. So again, you got to move the same amount of fluid, but we've got more force, more travel, which means that you can be more progressive in your approach to braking. So we think this is a real huge improvement for Cub pilots over what's out on the market right now. And also it's cost competitive with every other option you can put on a plane. It's one of those things where we got lucky in designing ours and in doing it all from scratch, not making it add-on parts. We were able to actually come in at a price pretty equivalent to our competitors. So this is a pretty cool thing. We want to remind everybody we have it, and we also have the parking brakes. If you can't find the Scott ones, this is an exact replica of the product. So there's nothing really that different about it, except it has a little cooler color on it. But we sell these on the website and also in our stores, and also these are available there as well. If you got any other questions, go to our website. There's much more information about it.